Hey everybody, it's Clayton here from Zappos.com. And the Alonisso 17 from Geox Kids is going to be that perfect summer sneaker to pair with those new joggers or shorts you just got. So let's go take a look. This classic low top silhouette features lots of cool stuff. We got the canvas upper with the orange stitching detail to give you a little bit of a pop. And of course, you can't miss it, the zipper entry. Not only there for easy on and off, but gives it a cool pop. You've also got the secondary zipper on the back, just to give it that much more style. Check out the heel tab at the back. We've got the gray to give it a little more pop of style. That classic toe cap is a rubber to give it that vintage feel. It's also going to give you a little added protection. Inside of the collar, we've got a little bit of padding, and same goes for the top of that tongue to give you some nice support around the ankle. And the soft cotton lining got great next to skin feel. Check it out, guys. We've got that removable insole. Just gonna make it super easy to clean. It's also got the perforations that make the bottom of the foot very breathable. And all of that sits on top of a super durable rubber outsole. And check it out. Those perfs continue through the insole, out through the outsole to give you great in-shoe comfort. So for that perfect low-top sneaker to add to your wardrobe, you should go pick up these bad boys. They're from Geox Kids.